Hello friends, we are studied chapter 8 name as pollution. In this chapter we are discuss about water pollution. Water is very essential for the domestic purposes. In this topic we are discuss about what is meant by water pollution, reasons of water pollution, water pollutants and effects of water pollution. Now we will see about what is meant by water pollution. Water is said to be polluted when it becomes unclean and poisonous due to mixing of natural or artificial unwanted material, when it becomes harmful to living organism due to decreased oxygen content, or when epidemic diseases are spread through the water, then it is called as water pollution. Fresh water or marine water pollution includes physical, chemical and biological changes. Now let us see about water pollutants. Water pollutants are classified into three groups. First, biological pollutants, second, inorganic pollutants, and third, organic pollutants. Let us study it one by one. First is the biological pollutants. Water does not remain potable due to algae, bacteria, viruses, parasites. Diseases are spread due to biological pollution. Next is the inorganic pollutants. Suspended particles like fine sand, soil, dust, precipitate of salts, compounds of arsenic, cadmium, mercury and traces of radioactive material are inorganic pollutants. C. Organic pollutants. Weedicides, insecticides, fertilizers, sewage, industrial waste are the organic pollutants. Now we discuss about reasons of water pollution. Water pollution's reasons are also classified into two groups. First is the natural reasons and second are the man-made reasons. Now we are discuss first is the natural reasons one by one. Natural reasons. First is the aquatic weeds. Depletion in oxygen level and changes in natural qualities of water occurs due to aquatic weeds. Second, decomposing matter. Decomposing bodies of plants and animals are also a reason of water pollution. Third is the mud or sludge. River current and its deviation is the reason of water pollution. Then fourth is the soil erosion. Many biotic and abiotic factors are added to water due to soil erosion and it is one of the reasons of water pollution. Fifth is the microbes like fungi and bacteria. Growing of organic matter decaying in water is also a reason of water pollution. Sixth is the algae. When excessive algal growth occurs in water, then water gets polluted. Seventh is the nematodes. Soil nematodes flows in with rainwater and water pollution occurs. Now let us discuss about man-made reason. First is the domestic sewage. Domestic sewage from villages and cities is disposed of in river water and pollution occurs. Second is the industrial effluents. Various pigments, bleaching chemicals, leather pieces, mercury, cadmium, arsenic are released into the water from industries and water pollution occurs. Third is the oil spillage. When there is a transportation of oil or the cleaning of tanks, oil spills into the water and pollution occurs. Next, use of fertilizers and pesticides. NPK containing chemical fertilizers. Pesticides like endrine, chlorine, carbonate containing pesticides flow and mix with water and water pollution occurs. Fifth is the other reasons. Disposal of human waste, washing of clothes, decomposing hemp and flax into water, disposal of ashes, floral offering to God, water from thermal power plant are also reasons. Then we discuss about effects of water pollution. What are the effects of water pollution on environment? First, effect of water pollution on human being. Diseases like hepatitis, typhoid, diseases of skin and alimentary canal. Water pollution also affected on the elimination of liver, kidney, brain, deformities in bones and hypertension. Effects of water pollution on ecosystem. Retarded plant growth, loss of plant species, increase in salt content of water, decreased dissolved oxygen level, disturbance in aquatic ecosystem, death of aquatic animals, and adverse effect on seabirds are seen on ecosystem. Other effects: changes in physical and chemical properties of water, changes in natural color and taste, useful aquatic fauna is destroyed, soil fertility is affected, toxic materials are added to crops. Now friends, we are discussing about soil pollution. Out of the total land area of the soil, you know that 29.1% is the land area which is covered by ice, some is desert, whereas some is occupied in hills and mountains. Means that very less area of land is available for human use. Soil is said to be polluted when there are changes in its physical, biological and chemical properties and its fertility decreases due to natural or man-made reasons. Now we see about the effects of soil pollution. Effects of soil pollution. First effect: soil fertility decreases due to mixing of salty and acidic water from the industries. Radioactive and other pollutants enters and pass through food chains like the soil, crop, water and then human body. Means there is a chain in which radioactive pollutants are enters. First these radioactive pollutants enters into the soil, then it enters into the crop, then it enters into the water and lastly in human body. Problems of water pollution increases due to soil pollution. Toxic substances leach into the water. Similarly, diseases are spread through various pathogens. Friends, in this chapter, we are studied about air pollution, water pollution and soil pollution. Now let us discuss about relationship of soil pollution with air and water pollution. If a wet waste is dumped at the wrong places, instead of composting, pathogens grow upon it, which are then mixed with water, causing a water pollution. Means that when we do not dump wet waste in proper ways, then it occurs water pollution. Insecticides, chemical fertilizers, weedicides are used in agriculture, which causes soil pollution. If excessive use are spread, insecticide and weedicides are mixed with air and causing a air pollution. Similarly, excessive use of chemical fertilizers causes water pollution. Soil pollution occurs due to mixing of human waste, birds and animal waste. This releases various stinking gases causing air pollution. Some waste may causes air pollution if mixed with water. Means that soil pollution, air pollution and water pollutions are depending to each other. Government of India has enacted some laws to control and regulation of prevention of pollution. Now let us discuss about these laws. First law is the Water Pollution and Prevention Act 1972, Air Pollution and Prevention Act 1981, Environmental Protection Act 1986. Various laws and rules are in force in relation to biomedical waste, harmful effluents, solid waste and also in sound pollution. Government statutory bodies like Maharashtra Pollution Control Board and Central Pollution Control Board supervises about whether the industrial areas, local government bodies like municipalities, district council, Panchayat Samiti, Gram Panchayat follows the law about pollution control. Thank you.